received my Target Beauty Box today, and it came really strange. Usually the Target Beauty Box comes in a white box and it will say Target on it. And I received, it was just a plain brown packing box, and then inside it was a huge, just clear plastic bag, and it had all the products just thrown inside of it with the little pamphlet as well. When I opened it up, I was really surprised. I mean, it's not an expensive box. The Target Beauty Box is monthly and you have to physically purchase it yourself. There's no recurrent subscription, and it's $7. You get about 5 products that you could always purchase at Target. So they're drugstore brands usually. And for $7, the value is really good. So with tax, it comes to like $7.49, and it's free shipping always. So what ended up happening is one of the products leaked all over, and it got all over the coupon. I don't know what's going on because my BeautyFix box, that was left out in the rain, and I had the same thing happen, and really weird. But anyway, I did contact Target. Because of what happened, one of the products ended up being mostly empty and nothing was really damaged other than this coupon. So what I did was I went on the website because I did want to contact them just to let them know what happened and why wasn't it packed the way it normally is. And what they did instead was I logged in, click your order, and then it says that you can just request a refund. It doesn't ask you to send anything back. It just lets you click the order. It says what happened, basically. Is it damaged? Was something missing? So I did click damaged. And then it said you could add optional comments. So I did do that and I submitted it, and then they said no need to return. We're going to process your refunds. There was no stress involved whatsoever. So we'll see what happens. But let's get into it. The theme of the month is called Hello Summer Stunner. And it is this little pamphlet that comes usually on top of the box. And then on the other side, you do have a $3 off coupon, and it's $3 off any beauty purchase of $15 or more. It does give you a list of the products that are in the box. What I went ahead and did was got the prices of these full-size items. The first product I'll show you is the one that actually leaked, and it's the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Soft Waves Tropical Banana Sea Salt Spray. And I mean, there's a tiny little bit in here left, but this is the thing that ended up leaking. I've never tried this before, so I'm gonna use the rest of it and see how it works. But it says natural dead sea salt and sea kelp bring touzled texture to strands for bouncy beachy waves minus the sand. It says for the best effect, spritz onto day-old hair, which adds extra texture and volume. So this is 2 fluid ounces. The 8 ounce of this is $4.84. Next product is from Bliss. It's the Fab Foaming Face Wash. It is a little 1 fluid ounce size. I don't mind getting these. I do like trying new cleansers. It says it's a 2-in-1 cleanser and exfoliator infused with gentle flower botanicals and natural ingredients, relieves dryness and soothes skin. It says even when using a foaming cleanser, lather up to ensure suds dissolve oil and grime properly. It says that this is cruelty-free. I've never tried this and I will definitely use it. So the full size is 6.4 ounces and it's $9.99. The next product is from Allure, and this is the Brilliantly Brightening Day Cream. I think we got the Allure Brilliantly Brightening Exfoliator in one of our boxes. I don't remember which one. It may have been a previous Target box actually, but this is the day cream, and it says it's a rich combo of CoQ10, Gotu Kola, and argan oil, helps fight dullness and evens out skin tone for a brighter, more beautiful complexion. And this is 1 fluid ounce. So this is almost full size because the full size is 1.7 ounces, and that is $16.99. Right, so the next product is from a brand that I've never even heard of. It is Eden Body Works Coconut Shea Body Lotion, enriched with vitamin E and shea butter, which softens skin while replenishing its natural moisture balance. This is another good traveling size. This is 2 fluid ounces, and the full size is 8 ounces, and that's for $8.99. So there's no safety seal on it, you can see, but it is filled right to the top. It's actually absorbed really, really nicely. I just tried it right over here and it absorbed really nicely, and I could actually feel the difference in the softness of my skin. So this is a really nice body lotion, and it smells really good. The next thing is something that I've heard so much about, but I've surprisingly never tried it, or I've never tried anything from this brand actually, and it is the Simple Kind to Skin Cleansing Facial Wipes. I've heard such good things about this. This does come with 7 wipes, and it says softer than silk fiber wipes contain skin-loving vitamins B5 and E, which remove makeup and other impurities without irritation or residue. It says it's perfect for cleansing on the go with no need to rinse your face afterwards. So it says it removes waterproof mascara, which I have one mascara that I can never get off with any kind of makeup remover. So if this takes that off, then I will buy this forever. For the 25 count, it's $4.49, so anybody could really afford that. Last but not least is the product that I actually was most excited about. When I saw that this box was available, I always like to see what the products are because I don't always get this box. If I don't like what's in it, I will not purchase it. So when I saw this, I said, oh, now I definitely have to try it. It's the Schick Intuition Fab razor. Bi-directional blades let you effortlessly shave in both directions, and advanced moisture gel ensures a silky smooth glide. It says shaving in the shower, do it last. The steam opens pores so you get a close clean shave. So this is like basically that you can shave forward and back. So if you could see, you can shave like just like that. And I just I can't imagine that. So I'm gonna try it like really soon because I just don't see how that's gonna work. This is of course the full size. It doesn't come with any extra blades, but if you were to purchase this, it is $5.99. I think that the value of the box is just really good. For $7, I mean, this razor is $6. So everything else was you paid $1 for basically. Anyway, that is it for this video, and if you guys do like these kinds of videos, then please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel. I always appreciate the support, and keep a lookout because it is August and all of my subscriptions should be coming in. And until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.